Last night we retrieved a massive swarm from a tree and it went into this bait box. We're lucky enough that we saw the swarm in the tree. Somebody kindly told us about it. Too high to reach, so we brought this bait box. And 4 days later they finally went in, but not all of them went in. A bunch of them were hanging around the outside, so we had to vacuum them up in our special bee vacuum. So there's bees in that box, and we're about to put them into their new home. Listen to those bees in there. And they're all coming out. I bet you they're all hanging on the lid. Oh my goodness, they are. These are all the bees that we vacuumed off of the bait box late last night. They've been locked inside until now, so they're anxious to get out. Gently give them a shake. And we had put one frame inside here. So there's still bees in there on a frame, so we'll have to put that frame into this box and then shake the rest of the bees in. They've only been in there for 12 hours maybe, and they've already started building out comb on the lid.
Peek to see if I can see the queen. She's on here. Here we go.
It's the unboxing. The unboxing of the bees. We took a quick look for the queen and didn't see anything, so she may be in this box, but she could be hard to find. And we were wondering how many bees are actually in this box. Oh, there was plenty of room for the rest, don't you think? Look at that. It's crazy. In you go, ladies. Welcome home. Welcome to your new home. What's left in here? Here's the frame that we put in. So that is covered in bees. We're going to take a quick look in there for eggs, because if there's eggs in there, we know the queen is in this box. I think the queen must be in the main box that we're creating here, because these bees are literally walking off of the frame and into the box themselves. No shaking required. Check that out. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for the new house. We'll just move right in on our own. Get the rest of them in there. Gonna have to shake you. So there they are in their new house. We'll add a couple more frames and then close her up. We didn't see the queen, but there's a lot going on right now, so we're not going to disturb them too much. They've got food, they've got room. We'll come back in a couple days and check for the queen.